Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do velocity edit on CapCut. To get started, launch the CapCut app on your device. Start by importing the video clip you want to edit in your CapCut project. Here you will see many options. Among them, look for a speed or velocity option in the app's toolbar or setting option. It might be represented by a clock or stopwatch icon. Tap on this button to access the speed adjustment settings. You should be able to increase or decrease the speed of the video clip by adjusting the slider or entering a specific speed percentage. Now play the video to preview the velocity changes and make sure it looks like how you want it. Once you are done, tap to export button and save the video. So this is how it looks after doing a velocity edit on CapCut. This is how easily you can do velocity edit on CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.